Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 2nd July 2026. Adani Group and Abu Dhabi's international holding company are set to invest a massive $11.5 billion in a new Odisha aluminium plant. This ambitious project, aiming for over 2 million tons annual capacity, could significantly boost India's aluminium production by nearly 50%. Global creditors of IPO-bound Udaan, including banks and hedge funds, have initiated insolvency proceedings in the Singapore High Court after its offshore holding company Trustroot Internet Pvt Ltd defaulted on $170 million compulsory convertible notes or bonds due on June 30th. The creditors have hired Alvarez and Marshal as the official liquidator in the bankruptcy proceedings. Corporate sector borrowing from banks is accelerating past individual loans, driven by companies seeking cost savings as corporate bond yields climb. Recent RBI rate cuts have made bank loans more appealing. Analysts anticipate this trend to continue, supported by improved liquidity, though a shift back to debt markets is possible. Small businesses are seeing particularly strong bank credit growth. Zee Entertainment has secured a significant Rs 418 crore foreign investment from OFI Global China Fund LLC, marking the fund's return after a previous exit. This infusion of capital comes as Zee navigates a challenging broadcast environment and strengthens its digital operations. The investment, approved under the FDI route, arrives as the company also plans to raise substantial funds for strategic initiatives and rebuilds its sports broadcasting presence. Tata Communications is significantly boosting its subsea cable network between India and Singapore, investing in new fiber capacity to enhance connectivity for emerging AI hubs. These strategic moves, including integrating a new cable system and joining a consortium for another, aim to support India's booming data center market. The strategic investments come at a time when India's data center market is projected to reach $13.11 billion or Rs 1,08,813 crore by 2034, growing at a CAGR of 10.01% during 2026 to 2034. Mohalla Tech Pvt Ltd, which operates social network share chat, short video platform Moj, and subscription-based micro-drama app Quick TV, is seeking to raise as much as $400 million from public market listing planned for next year. The company, commonly known as ShareChat, has become operationally profitable in the first quarter of the year that began April 2026. A key driver of the company's recovery has been micro-dramas, or serialized stories told in episodes as short as 60 seconds that have become one of India's fastest growing forms of digital entertainment. Ananta Capital has acquired a majority stake in hygiene brand Fca, highlighting investor interest in science-led personal care brands. The deal shows increasing confidence in businesses that focus on ingredient transparency and evidence-based formulations at a time when consumers are paying closer attention to what goes into everyday personal care products. Fca develops body odor protection products using alum, a naturally occurring mineral that has traditionally been used in India for personal care. The investment also reflects broader shifts across India's beauty and personal care sector. Demand for clean label, ingredient conscious, and dermatologist-backed products has accelerated in recent years alongside strong growth in digital-first brands.